We've got a beautiful Super Sport shift knob to get out today. This is going out to Noel. Noel would love to know what this is going on. Guessing Noel used our online custom shift knob builder where you can see exactly what your creation is going to look like before you order it. And Noel, if you take a picture of it, which I'd love to know what kind of Super Sport you have, and hashtag it Win American Shifter, or you can just email it to us, win@americanshifter.com, and we'll enter you to win a $100 gift card, which we give away every month. Noel, cool knob. Hopefully we get to see it installed. I'm gonna get this right off to you. Throwing in a complimentary adapter just in case, and your lock nuts underneath the fancy polo. It's on its way.